Welcome back, guys. This is your boy from Enemigos Team. We're back at it again. This is the GSXR1000, fully tuned and full SE projected sauce. Today we're going to be riding a bike, and for all the followers that have been watching our videos, this is a continuation of the bike. To the canyons right now. We came across a group that's going to a bike night, and I just tagged along, so we'll see what's going on. I have a passenger with me. There you go. I'm letting them pass since we got somebody in the back. We are here. We are moving right now. It's so sunny right now, that's the only thing that sucks. People left me already because I got extra weight on me, and they can actually ride, they can actually go fast, so we're pulling through, we're pulling through. Cannot see shit, dude. Alright, we cut up to the gentleman's here. What do we got, an R1?
hella dark over here though. There's signs of deers. So how would that be? Alright, seems like we're already here. We're supposed to go, I guess they're gonna go eat or something, I guess, I'm not sure. But we're just following them now, so not kind of low gas. You guys are crazy, popping wheelies. Be good right here for our video. Oh, and it's cold over here. Dude, that R1 is probably the loudest R1 I've ever heard. It's got a small slip on. What are these guys up to? And then that's the Honda, the 900. Oh, he's picking it up. Holy. This thing started shaking at a higher speed. Gas, as you guys can see, it's running kind of low. That means we're gonna have to look for a gas station very soon. Oh, these guys are crazy. We are riding in the GSXR1000 with this little mob over here. I don't even know where I'm at. I'm actually very lost. I don't even know this side of the city. I'm actually very, very lost. God damn, but this guy can wheelie. All of them can wheelie, I'm pretty sure. it's so cold.
So we made it to the main spot already. Look at the Jeeps right here, the R7, the R1 over there, the Aprilia Tuono, and then that one's a 1000, a Honda, which I was trying to figure out what it was. And then we got a couple bikes over there, GSXR, what is that, an R7 over there, and more bikes just pulled up. So we got a CBR 600, the Tryon 660. It's actually, I've never seen that bike before. That's 1000. Ooh, got some forged carbon. Nice, 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 nice.